Okay guys, before we continue with this video, I was recording a get ready with me makeup, and out of a sudden my camera stopped working and I was recording. When I come to find out, my video was not even saved in my memory card. So I'm just gonna show you guys real quick before we jump into like the non-talking version steps. I did my primer. So I did that first, and then I applied my foundation, which is from Wet n Wild. I used this new brush, which I hauled on my last vlog, which was Target. This is the Tasha Castro buffing brush, which I think is freaking amazing because it has a cover, you know what I mean? So you don't get it all over the place and dirty, so that's great. I was about to do my concealer and my camera just cut me off completely. So hopefully from now on, it starts recording and it saves my videos because I'm gonna be very, very upset. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I'm just gonna apply this and I'm gonna put music in the background because I don't want to talk because it takes me so long. And I'm gonna be using my beauty blender. I think this is from Real Techniques. I'm just getting ready for the day. I did my hair yesterday, so yeah, hopefully from now on it starts recording, so on and so forth. So I'm just gonna play my music and keep jamming out and get ready for the day so you guys can see what I do whenever I wear makeup. Okay guys, so I decided to do a voiceover with this part of the video. I try to compare the Infallible concealer with the Tarte Shape Tape, and they are kind of like the same, like the application is the same, but I actually love this concealer, you guys. It's absolutely incredible. Like, it looked so nice. It didn't crack underneath my eye throughout the whole entire day, which I absolutely loved. I actually should invest on a microphone, but I haven't. But anyways, I love this Real Techniques sponge to blend out my concealer. If you hear some stuff in the background, like, I'm so sorry. Like, it's really hard to do a voiceover when there's so many things going on in the back. But this Real Techniques sponge is more like so dense and so hard. But I like it for my concealer only, not for foundation application, just so you know. Even though I look matte, I do set my foundation and my concealer with a powder. This is the Photo Focus powder from Wet n Wild, which I really like. Like I said, I don't wear makeup often, but when I do, I love that one. Can you guys remember the C palette? Like, I have been having this for years. I do have some shadows depotted. Like, I have a bronzer that I'm using, actually, you know, a contour from Tarte, I believe. And I use this so and so often. Like, I don't use it all the time just because I obviously don't wear makeup always. But it's more of a contour, not a bronzer, because it's very, very dark. And I also have some blushes, some Benefit blushes in there, which I love my C palette. Let me know if you guys have one. Whenever I do an application, I try to blend it out with another brush. Right now I'm using a Luxie blending brush. I have a variety of different brushes. I have Real Technique brushes, e.l.f. brushes, and also Luxie. I am going to be using that Benefit blush. I don't remember the name because obviously it's depotted, but that's the one that I used, which is absolutely stunning. I had to apply it multiple times, but I did it in like very, very slow because I don't want my cheeks to be very, very, you know, bright. And I obviously blended out with another Real Techniques brush, which I love. This one is so big and fluffy. I do curl my lashes so on and so off. This one is from Tweezerman. I totally forgot to add mascara to this complete look, but I don't know what happened, to be honest. Now for my brows, I'm using this new Maybelline brow product, which is a pencil. And honestly, I was so proud of myself. I was catching this on camera. I do not do my eyebrows on camera because this is very, very hard. I really have to be so close to the mirror for me to do this
thing, but I actually had to take it off, and this is the finished look. And I also applied this brow gel from Maybelline. Y'all know I love a good highlight. This is the Smashbox collaboration with Casey Holmes. I have both of them. This is the one that I use often. I use the one in the middle and the one on the corner, not the bright one, the more gold. Looks good with my skin color. And I did apply it a couple times because, you know, I'm a glow person. I love to glow. I love highlight, you know what I mean? I also do it on my cupid's bow, my chin, my nose, you know, on the top of my cheeks. I sometimes do it in a corner of my eye, but I didn't do it this time. But, you know, and I also blend it out with that brush. Now for lashes, guys, oh my god, I am using the Celestial Beauty Athena lashes. I'll leave all her information in the description box because she's absolutely amazing. She creates these herself, and you can use these up to 25 times, you guys. Now for lipstick, I did the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit, and I forgot the name of this one. I know it's a pretty curl color, and these last on the lip for a long time. I love these. Hey you guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is a very short and simple video. I don't wear makeup often, so when I do, I try to record it for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace. Bye.